Taking effect immediately, Governor Charlie Baker signed a new law to combat the opioid epidemic today. 20 News is working for you with how this law will limit prescriptions and affect patients. Governor Charlie Baker signed a bipartisan bill into law Monday morning to combat opioid addiction and gave an emotional speech about its effects.
May today's bill passage signal to you that the Commonwealth is listening, and we will keep fighting for all of you.
The opiate epidemic has hit major cities and small towns throughout the U.S. An average of 4 people are killed a day in Massachusetts. Westfield has been one community shocked by overdose deaths.
I think every town has dealt with it in some way. Certainly my own hometown of Westfield has seen some deaths because of the opioid abuse and an overdose problem.
The main function of the bill is to limit first-time opiate prescriptions to a 7-day supply, only allowing patients to fill part of their prescription at a time. People with chronic illnesses and pain will still be able to get their prescriptions. The new law also includes any overdose victims that go to an emergency room must see a mental health professional within 24 hours before being discharged. A new database will also collect information from pharmacies and doctors to monitor how many opiates are being prescribed.
The bill does a lot of good things, but there's still a lot of work to do. I think we still need to work, again, on access to treatment. We need to work on the continuum of care. I mean, 14-day detox really isn't going to make a difference to people who have been battling addiction for years. So we need to make sure that there's really much more of a sort of continuum of care for people.
This law marks the 5th bill Governor Baker has signed into law, including the fiscal year 2016 budget and supplemental budget to fight the public health epidemic.